me first speak directly to Arkansas's transgender youth with the love of a real father. You are loved. No matter what happens here today, you are loved. We will prevail against this hatred. Stay alive, no matter what. I'd like to read to you the abridged words of Ashley Harrell, a young lady born in 1989 and died in 2015. She wrote, "These are going to be my final words. I can't stand to live another day, so I'm committing suicide. I am transgender. That means that even though I was born in a male body, I am and have always been female. I've known I was female for as far back as I could remember. This caused me to become severely depressed from a very young age because I was told that people like me are freaks and abominations, that we are sick in the head and that society hates us. This made me hate who I was. I tried so hard to be just like everyone else, but this isn't something you can change. It wasn't until I was 20 that I found out I wasn't alone. I had hope that I would finally be able to live as I am and love who I am. I finally came out as transgender and began transitioning. For the first time in my life, I was genuinely happy. Despite this huge change, I never got over the depression. Everywhere I'd turn, I'd see the hate that society has for us. I'd already been poisoned by a society that didn't understand us, and even worse, didn't want to even try. I saw the pain caused to people like me, and going through this same hurt myself, it has just become too much for me to take anymore. You need to know that I'm not just another face of someone you never met. I was alive. I had a family and friends that I loved very much. I loved being around those that I loved. I loved listening to music and singing. I loved going out to eat with friends and enjoying good food. I was a real person. Trans people are everywhere. You may never know who you're hurting until it's too late. Stop persecuting my kid. Stop hating my kid. Stop bullying my kid. The state does not belong in my family's medical decisions, and it does not define my children's identity. Please vote against this bill. Thank you.